How to enable and use VR mode in YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. So now let's just get started. First thing you'll want to do is open up your YouTube. After you open your YouTube, just tap on the search bar and search for VR 360. Now you can use any VR videos, just tap on it and select a video. After you select a video, all you need to do is connect your VR to it and you can just use it. Now for some, there might be an option on the settings that says play on VR mode. If you have that, you can use that too. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching guys. That's all.